Manla Mandela's bitter divorce battle has been finalized. 8 years after filing for divorce, Manla Mandela and his first wife Tando Mabanyu Mandela have eventually finalized the end of their marriage. Manla, the grandson of struggle hero Nelson Mandela, broke the news on social media. He shared a screenshot of a newspaper report about their divorce battle on his Instagram account on Thursday. "We are pleased that the matter of my divorce from Tando Mabanyu has been settled today. The finalization of the matter, which has been before the courts since 2009, is a great relief and enables the parties to carry on with their lives unfettered," he captioned the image. Manla and Tando wed in 2004, but 5 years later their union came to an end, with the latter filing for divorce. But the couple, who were married under civil law and community of property, were in and out of court for years, as they fought over assets. Lawyers for Tando say she is satisfied with the settlement. She successfully fought to have 2 of his remarriages declared null and void. Manla wed Anais Gramad in a traditional ceremony in 2010. She was later accused of falling pregnant by Mandla's younger brother. The Mveso chief married Mbali Makhathini in 2011. The couple are reportedly still together. Despite the drama, Manla wished his ex-wife well. "We wish Tando well for the future and we thank all who have been an immense support during this time," he wrote. Manla became a new dad earlier this year when his wife Rabia Clark gave birth to a son they named Twinkazi Mandela Ikram Mandela. The couple married in a traditional Muslim ceremony in 2016. His wife is now formally known as Nozikani Rabia Mandela.